इधर बीपीओ कंपनी इंटेलीनेट को यूके की कंपनी सर्को खरीदेगी। यह करार करीब 38.5 करोड़ पाउंड में हुआ है। इंटेलीनेट के निवेशक ब्लैकस्टोन, बार्कलेज और एचडीएफसी अब इससे बाहर हो जाएंगे। साथ ही अब सर्को और इंटेलीनेट के बीपीओ बिजनेस एक हो जाएंगे। इस डील से कंपनी को क्या फायदा होगा, इस पर हमारी संवाददाता कृतिका सक्सेना ने बात की इंटेलीनेट के सीईओ सुधीर चंद्रा से।
सुशील, हमें मर्जर के बारे में बताइए। कंसोलिडेशन होगा दोनों कंपनियों का। सर्को का ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे एक बीपीओ डिवीजन है और इंटेलीनेट वो उसके साथ मर्ज कर दिया जाएगा। तो डिटेल्स बताइए, सर्विसेज, वर्टिकल्स, ये कैसे फंक्शन होगा अगले, और ये जो मर्जर है दोनों कंपनियों का, ये कब तक खत्म होगा?
So basically, Serco made an investment about 2 years back in a company called Infovision, which is now called Serco BPO, which is 100% focused on the domestic India market. Intellinet, about 75% of its revenues come from services it provides for companies outside India, and 25% of the revenues come from services that it provides for companies in India. Now, what will happen as a part of the transaction is the Serco BPO will get combined with Intellinet to form the BPO division for Serco. And with the combination, we will have roughly about 40,000 employees in the BPO space, which will provide both for services for companies in India and services for companies outside India. In India, we will be the largest supplier of services by virtue of this combination. And we will continue to focus on the 4 big verticals that we have been always focused on, which is banking, financial services, healthcare, travel, and telecom. In addition, we are also a big supplier of services on finance and accounting, which is across all verticals. It's more a horizontal offering, not a vertical thing. We are into payroll, which we will further enhance. We are planning to get into procurement and HR, which is another area that we are trying to get into.
मुंबई के बिल्डर सबर्बन इलाकों में ज्यादा फ्लैट बना सकेंगे।